Getting the annoying could not refresh feed error on Instagram. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix it. First, you'll need to check your internet connection. Launch settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This might fix your issue. Next up, update Instagram. So launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, log out and re-log in. For that, navigate to settings and activity of your Instagram account, scroll all the way down, click on logout, and again log in back using the credentials. Next up, reinstall Instagram. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on the option remove app, click on delete app, then click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is report the problem to the Instagram support team. So launch your Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page, click on help, click on report your problem, click on report problem without checking. Now here, click on don't include and continue. Now, explain in brief about the issue that your Instagram feed is not working and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So that's all for this video. These are some fixes for could not refresh feed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.